So my daughter was only born 3 months
I
ago.
understand.
But she's amazing. Also very biased about that. And I speak Yiddish to her, and my wife speaks Russian to her. And there's several reasons behind it. Growing up in the United States, where there's all kinds of pressures and there's so much freedom of choice, if she decides when she's older that she doesn't want to speak Yiddish or doesn't want to speak Russian, my heart won't be broken. It will be very sad, but my heart won't be broken. I don't have the same... There are incredible families out there that raise their children speaking Yiddish. They have chosen to live together, and unfortunately we don't have the same kind of community or resources. But I think it's good for her cognitive development, first of all. So if she forgets it or chooses not to speak it, but the real thrust behind it is that Yiddish culture is so much a part of my life and my wife's life and our relationship that how is she going to understand the songs that we sing and the things that we say to each other and the movies we watch and the books that we read without understanding Yiddish culture? So the language is more of a means; it's not an end in itself. So I would hope that she will speak Yiddish, and I hope that she'll speak Russian. Russian is my wife's first language, and it's the connection to her family, but Russian culture is also important to me, and I do think there's such a thing as Russian Jewish culture, and I would like her to be connected to all of that, and again, it's this greater mush, this greater Jewish stuff is not just Yiddish. Yiddish is just a very big part of it. And I think that her knowing Yiddish and knowing Russian will give her access to those things. And you can go, if Emir Hashem, God willing, she goes to a Jewish day school, she'll hopefully learn Hebrew. So I don't need to teach her Hebrew, but where is she going to learn Yiddish? Where is she going to get access to that? Not in a whole lot of places. So that's what I'm trying to give her. Is it imperfect? Yes, but I'm doing my part. And I say the language of my grandchildren, because God willing, I have more children, and God willing, they have children, and hopefully Yiddish will be a part of the family.